The 2025 Ford Maverick. We have some great new changes to talk about, including a brand new sports model. But first, I want to cover the regular Maverick first, along with all of its changes. So as we know, these trucks, they came out in 2022 and it's been a big hit. And now we finally get a refresh for the 2025 model year. And I have to say, this truck does look really good. I like the new front headlights and the front fascia, which of course changes depending on the trim level that you go with. It does look good. I do appreciate these updates because it is subtle, but it makes the Maverick look a bit more premium. Regardless, we have a few new colors to choose from, and the off-road oriented Tremor model gets some updated styling as well. But the big update for these regular Mavericks is going to be the addition of all-wheel drive to the hybrid powertrain. That's something that a lot of people, including myself, really wanted to see because the hybrid is an excellent powertrain, very efficient, and it's set up to operate very similar to the Toyota hybrid systems. And now with the addition of all-wheel drive, I think that is the go-to model. But otherwise, the powertrains, it's the exact same as before, and we have the same power output as well. So the hybrids are going to produce 191 horsepower, and the hybrid does utilize a naturally aspirated 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine with that eCVT system, and the electric motors have been updated for the 2025 model year. And we still have the optional 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder with 238 horsepower and 277 pounds-feet of torque. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and this turbo 4-cylinder is very fast. In the real world, you're absolutely flying with the turbo 4-cylinder, so it is a great powertrain, but I think for most families, they're going to appreciate the hybrid. And Ford has also made the 4,000-pound towing package available for the all-wheel drive hybrid models as well. Otherwise, the Maverick can only tow 2,000 pounds. So those are some great changes to see, and we have additional updates as well, like a massive 13.2-inch infotainment system that is all new, and it is going to be the largest infotainment system in the segment, and it's running on Ford Sync 4, and you do get wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as standard. You also get an 8-inch digital gauge cluster as well for 2025. And I do really like the Maverick interior space. It's solid, it's got a nice design to it, and now for this latest model year, we do get some additional interior colors as well. And as we spoke of previously, Ford is offering the 4,000-pound towing package on more models, and to help with the towing, they have added new towing technology like the Pro Trailer Backup Assist system, and Ford has also added the Pro Trailer Hitch Assist, which will automatically back your truck up to the trailer hitch by controlling the throttle, the steering, and the brakes. And they've also made the bed a bit more useful. I mean, this is already a very practical, useful little truck for many families, but now the practicality has improved. They are now offering some dividers for your bed to help keep your things from rolling around, so that's a great touch. And you still have your 1,500-pound payload capacity, and if you go with the higher trim levels, you are able to get a 360 camera as well. And those are all of your latest changes. We do have the official pricing as well, and if you add in the $1,595 destination charge, a base XL is going to start at almost $28,000. So as we can see, the price has significantly gone up since 2022, but this is still one of the most affordable pickup trucks for a family to get. And from there, you have the XLT, the Lariat, and the Tremor at the top. I would personally go for an all-wheel drive XLT hybrid model. But that's not all. There's also a new sporty Maverick known as the Lobo, and I have to say, this thing does look incredible. Obviously, performance trucks, it's not my cup of tea, but when I see them, I do respect it. And I already love the styling updates for 2025 in this new Lobo Sport Edition. It just looks great with this new refresh. But what is the Lobo and what does it have to offer? Well, it's going to get a sport-tuned suspension, and it's going to sit a little bit lower as well compared to a regular Maverick. And you do get a more aggressive exterior look with a new grille in the front and more black accents, and you also have black 19-inch almost monoblock style wheels, and I do love that. It does look amazing. And the Lobo model only comes with the turbo 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with all-wheel drive. The power has not changed, but as mentioned before, the power doesn't need to change because the Maverick is flying with this turbo 4-cylinder engine. However, the transmission is changed. You get a new 7-speed automatic, and this is tuned for much faster shifts, and you do get paddle shifters on the steering wheel as well. The brakes also get updated, and you get a sportier steering rack as well. And the all-wheel drive twin clutch drive unit in the back has been retuned to provide you with more performance-oriented driving. And the torque vectoring is activated by the Lobo mode, which is really meant to be used for track/autocross driving. But the Lobo model is also going to get upgraded cooling from the 4,000-pound towing package. So you're going to get the larger radiator and transmission oil cooler. On the inside, you're going to get Lobo on the headrest and a couple of unique colors as well on the inside. And a standard model of the Lobo is going to start at about $36,500, again with destination, but the high grade model is going to be about $42,000. So let me know in the comment section below, would you get a Maverick Lobo sports model? I can already tell this truck is going to rip because a regular Maverick already handles pretty well. So all of these additional handling upgrades, it's really going to make this into a fun driving truck, and it's cool that Ford is offering it. So hopefully you appreciate this video and all of the updates associated with the 2025 Maverick. Once again, I would like to hear your thoughts below, but thank you so much for watching. Take care and goodbye.